Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video. In this video, we have a new partnership that was announced and then some updates to Theta drops. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and like the video if you dig this content. So once again, Theta, let's get into this partnership. They have a brand new partnership with Decentral Games. Now this is a partnership that we will get into. If you run an edge node, this will help you with your jobs. And I know for the past couple of weeks, the edge node jobs have been slacking, but this will definitely help. So it's a new streaming partnership, strategic partnership with Theta Networks. And this is straight on the Theta Network Twitter, and we'll go into Decentral Games where it is, here as well. And then we'll dig into the entire thing. They posted a couple different tweets about it. So one, we are happy to announce a strategic partnership with Theta Network to scale our live stream capability during metaverse events. And then Theta Network is a decentralized video streaming network. It kind of just talks about everything that we do know about Theta. And then it goes on to say, with this partnership, Decentral Games community will be able to watch the live feed of our exclusive events. And equally important is that Decentral Games will be introduced to millions of Theta Network users, which is awesome. And then continuing, we're confident that Theta Network's industry leading solution in decentralized video content delivery will bring fans closer to the action and the highest quality viewing experience available, which is great. And like I said, if you have an edge node or elite edge node, hopefully the jobs will start flowing because of this partnership as well. And lastly, we've been impressed with Decentral Games' vision for their immersive online world and are super excited for Theta Network to become the blockchain-based video and streaming provider for Decentral Games live events in the metaverse. So this is essentially think about it like a casino, but this casino is happening in Decentraland, one of the biggest or the biggest game, an NFT game as well in all of the, quote unquote metaverse or in the blockchain. And that's why this is so important, because as the blockchain gets more and more popular, as more and more people start to play the game, more and more streaming will come to us. So let's go to Decentral Games and check it out. Like I said, it is a huge casino. Play to earn gaming in the metaverse. So with DG, you are the house. You control the profits and vote on new games and essentially everything. I won't get too much into this token, but this is, the new partnership. Theta should be, popping up here in a little bit. And just checking out Decentral Games once again, just a brief overview. Decentral Games is a DAO-governed metaverse casino powered by the DG. Players earn DG rewards for playing games. Liquidity pools earn DG for providing liquidity, and holders earn DG for participating in governance of the casino house fund's treasury. So let's look into it. There's a couple different games that you can play as of right now, and kind of like we alluded to earlier, there always can be more games that will happen in the future, but I think that will happen with more growth. So as of right now, there is blackjack, there's roulette, slots, backgammon, and poker. And here are the three different operators. So there's like three different buildings that you can play these games in. Kind of like, Vegas, you go to different casinos all in one strip. And this is what's happening. Live streaming of video games is something that is, still growing, and the Decentraland game itself, the metaverse, is still growing as well. But as it continues to grow, so will the Theta Network, which is very awesome. So on to the second piece of news we have here. It is Theta drop. There is a new drop that happened. It is Hashoshi. I have not heard of him, but he's a YouTuber and educator, and he has a new drop that just popped out. This is on the official Theta drop Twitter. So if we go over to Hashoshi, he once again says the same thing. I am super stoked to announce that my NFT drop on Theta Drop will go live this week. You can find more information right there, and all the proceeds, or my cut of the proceeds, will go towards efforts in destigmatizing addiction via my wife's foundation. So that is good. Once again, another good NFT coming out. And this ties into the third piece of news, which is boom, a brand new Theta Drop website. And I'm happy I'm not the only one who was kind of complaining about the Theta Drop website. It was kind of clunky and old looking before. but now it is much better. Up front you can see, big Theta drops that are happening right now and in the future as well. And the recent drops, they're up front and center, so you can see them. It's a lot easier to see all of them or more of them than, just like row at a time. And then also there is a marketplace that is, on the front page, not the full marketplace, but you can see some individual, NFTs in the front. And then you click on marketplace and boom, all of the NFTs are right here. So you can kind of scroll through and look at them. It's a much cleaner look, and I'm very happy that they changed it. So that in general is the 3 pieces of news. We'll just check out the price right here. Theta is still chilling in the number 30 spot. Hopefully it moves back into the 20s and keeps climbing up. But yeah, we checked out the new Theta Drop website, which I'm a huge fan of it. We checked out the new Theta Drop, which is Hashoshi right here. So he's got some new NFTs. We can check out the drop actually, since I got you here. And pretty neat, special live stream Q&A. There's a coffee mug and then a collectible. So yeah, pretty neat. And then the other thing we checked out was the newest partnership with Decentral Games. So like I said, if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.